How to log in to Scotia Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Scotia Bank online banking account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Scotia Bank online banking account. And after searching, you can click on the first search. And now if you want to log in to Scotia Bank online account, then on the upper right corner you will have sign in option. Click on sign in. And now it will welcome you. So to sign in, first you have to enter your username or your card number. And after entering your username or your card number, you have to enter your password. And after entering your username and your password, you have to click here so that it will remember you while you log in next time. Or you can also skip this one if you don't want to save your username or your card number. And after entering your information, you can click on sign in. But if you forgot your password or if you forgot your username, then you will have need help signing in. You can go there and then you can get some help on how to log in. But if you remember your details, then simply enter your details and then you have to click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Scotia Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.